Hi guys, welcome back. Today I want to talk about a super important form tip for you guys to actually start seeing changes in your glutes. So if you're trying to grow your booty and you're doing squats but you're not feeling them in your butt, or they're not really, working and growing your butt, I want to show you guys how to fix your squat form so that you can start to see better results when you do your squats. So first of all, for most people, in order to feel squats in your booty, we are normally taught to do squats this way, right? Feet forward, narrow stance, but you really can't get low enough here to feel it in your butt. You're feeling it more in your quads, the front of your thighs. So I tell everybody to spread your legs out. If you want to feel your squats in your butt, I want you to point your knees and your toes out to the side, okay? That's number one. Number two, when you squat, lift your toes off the ground just an inch instead of keeping them forward. When you lift your toes, you're going to force your body to sit down into your heels rather than shifting forward on your toes so you don't feel it in your thighs. So when you shift on your heels, you're automatically going to put the work into your booty here. So I'll show you from the side. You want to point those toes outward, lift them, and sit all the way back into your heels. Now, tip number two, when you do your squats, you guys want to keep these a bit slower. You don't want to just be moving like this here. You're not really giving yourself a chance to feel the muscles here and have them actually do the work. So take your time when you squat. Come down to the bottom, hold for a second. Think about squeezing your butt before you come up. Hold it and squeeze 1, 2, 3, squeeze at the top. You're gonna see my booty is squeezing tight here. So you drop down, hold, squeeze up, push. Drop down, hold on those heels, squeeze up, push. That's really gonna force you to squeeze the right places to feel it in your butt, okay? The other thing I want you guys to be super conscious of, you want to make sure you're not letting your knees cave in here. That's super important to protect your knees. So when you do this, when you come down here, watch yourself. Are your knees coming in this way? If they are, I want you to really think about pushing them like this outwards, okay? Sometimes flexibility can be an issue here. If it is, that's okay. Bring your feet a little bit closer and don't get as low. You can stop right about here. If this is causing you to cave, stop a little higher. Right here, push your booty back. Stop and just think about squeezing up until you can build some of that flexibility. So if you guys have a weight here, I like to use my squats. My weight, this is a light one here. I like to hold them down below me right here, sit all the way back before I squeeze up. You can also do a goblet squat holding your weight here. Sit all the way back, come up. Okay guys, those are just some quick tips on how to fix your squat form to avoid knee pain and to actually start seeing the results and feeling your butt doing the work when you guys are squatting. Hope this helps. Any questions, leave them below. If this helped, make sure to subscribe and like this video. Thanks guys, see you next time.